All right, here we are in North Arlington. We're at Mr. Shoes, and I brought Sharon with me, and we got something special coming. Watch what we eat.
I got it.
Good.
What am I eating here anyway?
What do you think?
Well, you're not telling me for a reason.
What is it? Tasty?
Yeah, it's smoky.
It's filled with all sorts of stuff here. So I don't know what you've been into, but it could have been grilled eel.
I knew you were going to say that.
It sounds like it. Barbecue eel, but isn't it delicious though? Now that you know what it is.
Oh boy.
Here you go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I can go on Fear Factor now.
Yeah, you can do that. You've eaten the ants. All right, my turn. Fine. Okay.
What is that you're cleansing your palate with?
That is ginger.
That's ginger? It looks like cheese.
Pickled ginger. And this is the way the artist roll should be eaten. So we have a little bit of eel, we have some flying fish eggs, we have some panko, some of his special sauce, and a piece of fish in the middle with some avocado. Oh yeah. Welcome to my world.
You want me to put the whole thing in my mouth?
Yeah, there you go.
I got a big mouth.
All right. Oh, you tried biting it. Look at that.
Okay.
And that one, it made a mess. Good. See?
The whole thing, the sort of eel.
Oh, the eel's gone. You had it already.
Oh, the eel's
done.
gone?
Yeah, there's no more eel.
It's already
on one
swimming
side.
around in my stomach.
Yep, it's going to come out the same way it went in.
It's not moving.
It's a clam. It doesn't move like
Clams
that.
don't move, but
Yes,
it's
they do.
alive.
You want to see it move?
No. I don't want to eat something that's alive.
Yes, you do.
Yes, I do. I'll photograph it. Here, you eat it.
Fresh surf clam.
We're
Down
gonna put you
the
on Fear
hatch.
Factor.
Down the hatch.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's good. Now we're gonna watch Sharon do it. No. You'll eat that later. Yep, there you go. There you go. Okay, so.
He
All
will
right.
take no for that.
All right, let's go see this. Come on, there we go. Oh my God.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's so too big.
Oh, no, don't make me eat it, Harvey. Don't make me eat it. Oh no. Oh no. Not bad. I could eat another one of those. No, chew it a little bit. Yeah. It's really not that bad, is it? He mixed up a nice little sauce for that thing, didn't he? Yeah. You've had scungeel that was crunchier than that, right? That thing melted in your mouth. He made me do it. He made me eat it.
So it was cooked already.
Yeah, it's cooked already.
Oh, okay.
It's steamed.
Right.
Yeah.
Did you see what Harvey made me eat tonight? Today was full of a lot of firsts for me. I got my first ticket, driving to work, $185. And I had my first eel. Ew. Eel and the salmon I had before.
And live clam.
Oh, now it was live. Oh, and I had a live clam. Nobody would say anything when I asked, but that should have, tipped me off, but it didn't.
Okay, so you saw what I fed poor Sharon. I made her eat a live clam. Oh
Yes.
my God.
Poor Sharon.
Oh, the poor thing. She had a good time today. She ate fried foods and a little bit of sushi and that famous artist roll that Johnny made for us. And there's one piece left, and I'm going to eat it now. And watch where we go next time.
And that is eel. That's eel. Well, that part isn't eel. That's salmon.
It's salmon, but it'll make you eel over in delight. Sorry. That joke smelt.